Hey, it's Bex. Welcome to the online course for the Neville Backpack. The Neville Backpack is such a brilliant little project. It's one of my bags at the moment that's probably my favourite because you can fit so much in there. It's one of those deceiving bags that you think it looks quite small, but I've been out for the day and I've taken, a spare jumper, I've taken my packed lunch, a water bottle, making sure you've got your purse and your phone because it's got internal pockets and it's super comfy. So it's definitely a really fun one to make, and I would highly recommend for you to have completed one of our previous online courses just so that you can gain your confidence, because this bag is more of an intermediate to advanced bag. We're also going to be introducing you to a different technique of reducing the thickness of leather with different hand tools, so that's going to be a brilliant new technique that you're going to learn. The Neville Backpack has quite a few different features. So the first thing is this lovely front zip pocket. It's an 18cm zip, which is good because it's nice and easy to get your hand in, and it's fully lined pocket as well. So that means that the lining goes down to probably about halfway down your bag. So great for storing lots of things in that front pocket if you want to have easy access to them. You've then got the main zip entrance. So it really is a lovely wide opening on this, and it means that you can really organize all your stuff and see where everything is when you open it up. And then inside we've also got a zip pocket, which has got the leather frame around again as well, and it's an 18cm zip, fully lined pocket, so great for storing your phone if you want to make sure that's really nice and secure. And then what we've also got is two different ways of holding this bag. So the first way is this grab handle, which is a double layer of leather, top stitched through, and then it's got a rivet on each side as a feature. And it's actually really nice and soft and secure in your hand, so feels really lovely. The other type of way of holding it is obviously putting it on your back, so that's the backpack straps. You've got the two straps, they're 2.5 centimeters wide, and you've got leather each side and a raw edge on the edge of the strap. Now we will be showing you how to edge paint the edge if you wanted to do that, or you can also just leave it nice and natural and we'll just polish it on the edge. Both ways look absolutely brilliant. And that's all the features on that bag.